Hello, in this lecture we explain about debugging, how we can debug our code. The lay of the land. Let's run this in this code. As you see here, it write every bar index. Okay, for example, first bar index is 0 or 1, second is 2, 10 is third is 3, and like this. Okay, like this it run. Here we have a bar, a status bar. It say us, for example, price at this section. Okay, at this section is how much. Okay, here also we have a in data window. Okay, here in this section in data window, here we have also bar index. For example, if we have a second bar index, that for example it give us previous bar index, and if I rename it to bar index second and change color, for example, to maroon, and update it on chart, as you see here we have another color, this shows, and also here we have this bar index second. Okay, so it shows. So this is a way to understand what is output and debug it. Okay, like this. You can use as a bg color and this, and let's do a good. Okay, here we come to daily because we want to use replay mode. I paste this and I update it to chart. In daily I update it to chart. Okay, I go for example to XIU USD, as you see like this. Okay, sometimes we have this, sometimes we have this. Okay, so how we can understand what is this? Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this and understand, for example, what is logic behind the code. Okay, it's say if dot change. Okay, first we need to find dot change value. Okay, we define a variable var change variable, default is 0. We say if dot, let's first use this. If body set that is last, so label dot new bar index, and y should be, for example, here, because we are in a separate window. For example, here in this, let's update it on chart. Okay, and here we in text we write str2 string, show us this. Okay, what is value of this? Oh, what happened? What is value of this? Let's and check. Okay, is none. Okay, so for example we say if dot change is not none. Okay, if is not none, because we don't want a non-variable, so assign our change variable to that. Okay, like this. So here we show change variable. Okay, let's update it on chart. As you see, this is our variable, so we write it. So I write it here. 864 1 2 3 4 5 0. Okay, this is that change variable. Here is this variable, and okay, it's divided to this, multiply this. So what is this variable? What is output of this variable? Here, replace it with it as this. Okay, time frame is second. Time frame is second. So this is our value also. Okay, what is this? Time frame is second. 1 day, let's write day to second converter. Each day is this amount second. Okay, that's why we have this value here. Okay, so this value multiply this value, okay, and this value divide to this. Okay, it give us here here give us 1. Okay, here give us 1. So let's calculate, is it correct or not with calculator. First this value 1 2 3 4 5 divide as you see is 1, correct. Okay, but sometimes it's not 1, it's 2. Okay, maybe 3. Here is 2, here is 3. So why this happen here? Okay, so let's understand how this happened. Let's understand how. Here is Friday, here is Tuesday, here is Thursday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, for example, in Monday is 3. So it's mean time frame in second, I think, is less than. Why? Because let's first say use BG color. Monday is Thursday or Monday, first day. Tuesday, Monday is first day, yes, because in Iran first day start from Sunday is the first. Okay, so here we use BG color to determine Monday. Okay, to understand why here is 3. Okay, why here is 1, but why here is Monday is 3. Okay, first we use BG color. We say BG color if day of week equal to 1, color dot, for example, blue, otherwise now we decrease transparent of this. Update it on chart. So here we go, for example, to 4 hour. Okay, here is Monday. Why it have a delay? Because we are in UTC, we should change it, for example, to I think to X. This is Monday, but here it show us here because it show us Sunday. So let's see this day of week. Where Monday session start on Sunday. Let's say, excuse me, sorry, let's check it. Monday on UTC is, this is Sunday, I think Monday, maybe it's 2. Let's, yeah, we give it an offset too. No, it completely recognize Monday range. Okay. In Monday we have how much candle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 candle. 6 for our candle in Monday. Let's, for example, Tuesday, okay, or Thursday. This is Thursday or Tuesday. Monday, because okay, just for example, the next day. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Okay, 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here also we have 6. Let's go for example Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and okay. So in 4 hour we was on 4 hours, sorry. Okay, so it's really the same thing. First, so what is how we have this change? We didn't understand, okay, with this method. So let's go use replay mode. If you have a free account, you can just use on daily, and we go here in Tuesday. In Thursday we have this, in Friday, in Monday is same. Okay, time frame is second is same. So I think the problem is from that change. Okay, so let's here replace another time our value, updated on chart. Here is this, but in Monday our value is different because our value is different in Monday, because this is Monday, this is Friday, but we have not any Sunday here. Okay, but we have Sunday actually. If we go to 4 hour, if we disable this and we go to 4 hour, we have Friday here. Yes, we go for it. Here we have a Sunday, then Monday. Okay, just one candle, just for $1 candle. So this difference is more. Okay, that's why in Monday, in daily, we have a higher value than other days. Okay, so we understood what is the logic of code. Okay, and we can debug it. Okay, purpose of debugging, first is we understood we can plot, we can show output of variables. Okay, so we understand we can use bg color, okay, to visualization. If we didn't understand, we can use replay mode, okay, and we can also use a plot.